Hello everyone. Welcome to Health Benefits Up. In today's video, we going to see the benefits of Surya Namaskar. Let's get started. All the asanas carried out in Surya Namaskar focus on different muscle groups and nerve centers called chakras. This helps you tone almost all your body parts including arms, abs, thighs, and butt. It also gives you more flexibility and improves your body posture. Proper exercise and proper rest along with a balanced diet result in improved insulin sensitivity. Sun salutations stimulate the digestive tract by producing the right kind of digestive juices. Thus, you improve your metabolism, which helps you get rid of all toxins and burn all the extra calories. Proper blood circulation and digestion enables better absorption of nutrients, which in turn improves your overall health. Nutrient absorption helps to carry out vital functions in the body. In today's world, unhealthy lifestyles have led to many disorders like thyroid dysfunction, obesity, etc. Surya Namaskar can be part of a healthy routine which is proven to keep such diseases at bay. Deep breathing techniques with specific asanas provide great relaxation to the nerve cells or chakras. It can positively impact brain functioning. Specifically, it helps you balance between the right and left sides of the brain. This brings you more emotional stability and increases your creativity and mental capacity. Sun salutation can be hugely beneficial for women who suffer from irregular menstrual cycles. Regular practice of the movements can help in regulating the cycle, provide relief from cramps during periods and also aid in natural childbirth. Sun salutation is known to improve your sleeping pattern. It helps calm your mind, giving you better and more peaceful sleep at night. This means that you can finally say goodbye to those sleeping pills once and for all. Surya Namaskar is a good way to stretch, tone and strengthen your muscles, ligaments, joints, and the skeletal system. The movements help improve the flexibility of your spine. Performing the postures in sequence on a regular basis makes your limbs become symmetrical and improves the functioning of your internal vital organs. Regular practice of the sun salutation improves one's blood circulation that brings a glow to your face and improves the elasticity of the skin, thus preventing the onset of wrinkles and makes your skin look radiant. Hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.